Hello, and welcome to our channel, Nirvana Safety. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for workplace safety, lifting operations. Whether you're in construction, manufacturing, or any industry involving heavy lifting, understanding and implementing safe lifting practices is crucial. Let's get started. So, what exactly are lifting operations in the context of occupational safety? Lifting operations refer to any activity where a load is moved using lifting equipment, such as cranes, hoists, or forklifts. These operations are common in many industries, and while they are necessary for efficient work processes, they come with significant risks. The risks associated with lifting operations are numerous. They include potential equipment failure, falling loads, and the danger of loads swinging out of control. Workers can suffer serious injuries from being struck by falling objects, being caught in equipment, or even experiencing repetitive strain injuries from improper manual handling. To mitigate these risks, implementing a lifting operations permit can be a game changer. This permit system ensures that all lifting activities are planned, risk-assessed, and executed safely. It involves a thorough check of the lifting equipment, verification of operator competence, and a clear outline of the lifting plan. Now let's talk about some essential precautionary measures that should be in place to ensure safety before, during, and after a lifting operation. Lifting operations are critical tasks that require meticulous planning and execution to prevent accidents and ensure the safety of all personnel involved. Whether you're lifting heavy machinery, construction materials, or any other substantial load, adhering to these precautionary measures is paramount. Host, voiceover. First, always conduct a comprehensive risk assessment. This involves identifying potential hazards that could arise during the lifting operation. Consider factors such as the weight and dimensions of the load, the type of lifting equipment being used, the environment in which the lift will take place, and the experience and training of the personnel involved. By thoroughly assessing these risks, you can determine the control measures needed to mitigate them effectively. This step is crucial as it lays the foundation for a safe lifting operation. Host, voiceover. Second, inspect all lifting equipment before use. This includes cranes, hoists, slings, shackles, and any other equipment that will be used in the lifting process. Ensure that each piece of equipment is in good working condition and suitable for the task at hand. Look for signs of wear and tear, such as frayed cables, damaged hooks, or malfunctioning controls. If any equipment is found to be defective, it should be taken out of service immediately and replaced or repaired. Regular inspections and maintenance of lifting equipment are essential to prevent equipment failure and accidents. Host, voiceover. Third, develop a clear and detailed lifting plan. This plan should outline every aspect of the lifting operation, including the weight and dimensions of the load, the type of lifting equipment to be used, the roles and responsibilities of each team member, and the sequence of operations. The lifting plan should also include contingency measures in case of unexpected events. By having a well-thought-out plan, you can ensure that everyone involved in the lifting operation knows exactly what to do and when to do it, reducing the likelihood of errors and accidents. Host, voiceover. During the lift, maintaining clear and effective communication is vital. Use standardized hand signals or communication devices, such as radios, to ensure that all team members are on the same page. Miscommunication can lead to serious accidents, so it's important that everyone understands the signals and follows them precisely. Regular communication drills and training can help improve the team's ability to communicate effectively during lifting operations. Host, voiceover. Also, establish exclusion zones around the lifting area. These zones should be clearly marked and enforced to keep non-essential personnel away from the lifting operation. By minimizing the number of people in the vicinity, you reduce the risk of accidents and ensure that only trained and authorized personnel are involved in the lift. Use barriers, signs, and other visual aids to delineate the exclusion zones and make sure everyone is aware of the boundaries. Host, voiceover. After the lift, it's crucial to secure the load properly. This means ensuring that the load is stable and won't pose any risk of falling or shifting. Use appropriate securing methods such as tie-downs, chocks, or braces to keep the load in place. Additionally, conduct a final inspection to verify that the load is secure and that all lifting equipment has been safely stowed away. Properly securing the load not only prevents accidents, but also protects the integrity of the load and the equipment used in the lifting operation. Host, voiceover. Finally, conduct a post-lift debrief with the team. This debrief should review the entire lifting operation, discussing what went well and identifying any areas for improvement. By analyzing the operation, you can learn from any mistakes and make necessary adjustments to improve future lifts. Encourage open and honest feedback from all team members, as their insights can be invaluable in enhancing safety and efficiency. Regular debriefs and continuous improvement are key to maintaining high standards of safety in lifting operations. Host, voiceover. In addition to these measures, ongoing training and education are essential. Ensure that all personnel involved in lifting operations are properly trained and certified. Provide regular refresher courses and hands-on training to keep their skills sharp and up to date. Staying informed about the latest safety standards, regulations, and best practices in lifting operations is crucial for maintaining a safe working environment. By investing in training and education, you empower your team to perform lifting operations safely and efficiently. Host, voiceover. Safety briefings are another important aspect of lifting operations. Before each lift, conduct a safety briefing to review the lifting plan, discuss potential hazards, and ensure that everyone understands their roles and responsibilities. Use this opportunity to address any concerns or questions that team members may have. A thorough safety briefing sets the tone for a safe and successful lifting operation and reinforces the importance of following safety protocols. Host, voiceover. Personal protective equipment, PPE, is a critical component of lifting safety. Ensure that all personnel wear the appropriate PPE, such as hard hats, gloves, safety glasses, and steel-toed boots. PPE provides an additional layer of protection against potential hazards and should be worn at all times during lifting operations. Regularly inspect and maintain PPE to ensure it is in good condition and provides adequate protection. Host, voiceover. Conducting mock lifting operations can also be beneficial. These practice sessions allow the team to rehearse the lifting plan, test communication methods, and identify any potential issues before the actual lift. Mock operations provide a safe environment to practice and refine skills, ensuring that the team is well prepared for the real lifting operation. Use these sessions to build confidence and competence among team members. Host, voiceover. Keeping detailed records of lifting operations is another important precautionary measure. Document each lift, including the lifting plan, risk assessment, equipment inspections, and any incidents or near misses. These records provide valuable information for future reference and can help identify trends or recurring issues that need to be addressed. Regularly review and analyze these records to continuously improve lifting safety and performance. Host, voiceover. Celebrating successful lifts is also important. Recognize and reward the team's efforts in executing a safe and efficient lifting operation. Positive reinforcement boosts morale and encourages a culture of safety and excellence. Acknowledge the hard work and dedication of the team, and use these moments to reinforce the importance of following safety protocols and best practices. Host, voiceover. Finally, promote a culture of safety within the organization. Display safety posters, conduct regular safety meetings, and encourage open communication about safety concerns. Foster an environment where safety is a top priority and everyone feels responsible for maintaining a safe workplace. By promoting a culture of safety, you create a proactive approach to preventing accidents and ensuring the well-being of all personnel involved in lifting operations. Host, voiceover. In conclusion, following these essential precautionary measures can significantly enhance the safety and efficiency of lifting operations. From conducting thorough risk assessments and equipment inspections to maintaining clear communication and establishing exclusion zones, each step plays a vital role in preventing accidents and ensuring a successful lift. Remember, safety is a continuous process that requires vigilance, training, and a commitment to excellence. By prioritizing safety, you protect not only the personnel involved, but also the integrity of the load and the equipment used. Stay safe and lift smart. 1. Always ensure operators are trained and competent in using lifting equipment. 2. Never exceed the safe working load of the lifting equipment. And 3. Regularly review and update lifting procedures to incorporate new safety standards and learnings from previous operations. By following these guidelines and implementing a lifting operations permit, you can significantly reduce the risks associated with lifting operations and create a safer work environment for everyone. Host, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nirvana Safety for more tips on workplace safety. Stay safe and see you next time.